Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what you can do to recover your Gmail password without phone number and recovery email on Gmail. Now, if you didn't set up the phone number verification method on your Gmail account, as well as you didn't assign any recovery email, then in that case it might be really difficult to get your account back, unless you have changed the password in the past. And in that case, you might be able to do that. So if I go next after entering my email address, now let's assume I don't remember my password. So I can click on Forgot Password over here. And then I have a way to try to recover my account by entering the last password that I remember using with this Google account. So if you are sure that you had a certain password before, then you can try to enter it over here and click next to see if this works. However, most of the time you will see this information that you didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure this account is really yours. There are some other alternative methods that you can try to use. For instance, if you have used Gmail on your phone, then you might be able to access your Gmail account through your phone and try to recover your account this way. However, if you forgot to add the phone number or use a recovery account, then in that case you might completely lose your access to your Gmail, which is understandable considering that Google tries to protect your account at all costs. So well, in case there is someone that tries to break into your account by using this method, they have to prevent such things happening. So I guess it is completely understandable, but even contacting Google directly through like phone calls or something through support, it still might not be successful to recover the account. So what you else can do is at this point you can simply get a new account. However, if you for instance used your phone to create a way to secure your account, but you don't have access to that phone or you don't have access to the selected phone number, then in that case you can keep clicking on try another way. In my case, I once again see the window with enter last password, but in your case you might see something different, like try to use your phone or something else. But nevertheless, you can keep clicking try another way until you actually find a way to get your account back. Alternatively, there will be a way to wait 48 hours until you receive a link from Google on your new phone in order to reset the email password. However, of course, this might still go wrong if you have completely new device and there is no way for Google to actually verify that you are truly the owner of the account, unless they are completely sure that the account belongs to you. Then otherwise it might be just really impossible to recover the account if you forgot to add these security methods. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.